Hello students, I am Deepak sir and today we are going to study standard 5th maths. Okay, at last period we completed our third chapter. How many squares? Okay, and the worksheet we have to solve in online lecture Google Meet. Okay, so today we have to start here chapter number 4. Parts and wholes. Okay. In previous year, means in 4th standard also we studied this concept, parts and wholes. Okay, in this chapter we study fractions. Also in 4th standard we also studied fraction. Okay, so we can revise some part. Fraction, which is called fractions. See, I will write here some fractions. And write here some fractions. First fraction is 1 upon 2. How to read this? 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 10. What is the meaning of this fraction? Fraction is what? See here. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means what? There are two equal parts. And in that two equal parts we can take only one part. That is called 1 upon 2. What is the meaning of 3 upon 4? Correct. 3 upon 4 means there are how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. These are 4 equal parts. And in that 4 equal parts, only we can take 3 parts. And the shaded portion is called 3 upon 4. Also see this last one, 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 means what? That is very simple. There are 10 equal parts. And in the 10 equal parts only we can take 5 parts. That portion is called 5 upon 10. All of you understood which is called fractions. Okay, like that fractions we can study in this chapter. So students, open page number 50. I can read, listen carefully. Chapter number 4, parts and wholes. You must have seen the flags of our country. Do you know how to draw a flag? फ्लैग कैसे ड्रॉ करना है आपको पता है, सबको पता है. हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं, फ्लैग ड्रॉ करते हैं. बट प्रॉपर मेथड क्या है वो मैं यहाँ पे आगे उन्होंने बताया. देखिए, ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगल ऑफ लेंथ 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड विड्थ 6 सेंटीमीटर. आई विल शो यू. See on the blackboard, draw a rectangle of length 9 cm and width 6 cm. आपको क्या करना है, रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना है. 9 उसकी लेंथ है 9 cm. लेंथ इज 9 cm and width is 6 cm. Means see, this is called length. This is and this is called breadth. This is 9 cm and this is 6 cm. Like that you can draw one rectangle. Means this is also 6 cm and this is also 9 cm. Like that one rectangle you can draw for that flag. Okay. See next one. You can draw by using scale or pencil. You can draw this shape or rectangle by using pencil and scale. Okay. Divide it into 3 equal parts. And complete the flag. We have to divide this rectangle in 3 equal parts. See, this is 6 cm. So how to divide in 3 parts? See, you can take dots for 2 cm. See, these 2 cm, then you can give one dot. Then 2 cm you can give one dot. Okay. Also here you can make dots. 2 cm, you can draw one dot. then 2 centimeters you can draw one dot. Okay, you will get these dots, so you can join these dots so that you can divide this rectangle in 3 equal parts. See, these are 3 equal parts. Okay, also you can draw in your notebook and see, okay, how to divide that parts. Okay, so the top 1/3 of your flag is saffron or orange. Saffron means orange. What is the color of middle 1/3 of the flag? See here, this shape. Okay, in this shape, how many parts are there? This is first part, this is second part, this is third part, this is third part. How many parts are there? 3 parts are there. So here, which color is there? Orange means saffron. Okay, second color is white, and third color is green. You know. Okay, in our flag these 3 colors are there. First one is saffron means orange, second one is white, and third one is green. Okay, what is the portion of orange? See, this is only one part. Orange is only one part. So, in that 3 parts, orange is only one. So, how to show that? That is 1/3. 1/3. It is also known as 1/3. That is also called as 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. Also this white part is also 1/3. White part is also 1/3 means 1/3, and also green part, that is also 1/3. That is also 1/3. Why? Because in the 3 equal part that is only 1. In the 3 equal part that is only 1. So that is called 1/3. Okay, when you have to take 2 parts, means white and green. What is the portion of white and green? That is 2/3. White and green. See this. White and green. That is 2/3. Why? Because there are 3 equal parts, and then you can take 2. There are 3 equal parts, and then you can take 2. Means 2/3. Understood? See here, the top 1/3 of the flag is saffron or orange. I will show you here. Okay. What is the color of middle 1/3 of flag? What is the color this middle one? That is white. Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? Where you have to draw Ashok Chakra? You know, in middle part, in second row, in middle, that is Ashok Chakra. So you can draw here Ashok Chakra. Okay. How much of the flag will you color green? How much of the flag will you color green? आप कितना part color green करोगे? 1/3 part. Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Yes, the white color part is less than 1/3. Here I will write here white part is 1/3. But when you have to draw here Ashok Chakra, then their portion is less. That part is smaller as compared to this part. Okay, मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ. देखिए, जब आप पहले ड्रॉ करते हो सब उस वक्त व्हाइट कलर होता है, तो उसका पार्ट होगा 1/3. जब आप अशोक चक्र वहाँ पे ड्रॉ करोगे तो वो पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा? थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. Therefore, that is less than 1/3. Next, now look at this flag. See on the page number 50, they can use us 2 flag. In that first flag, Afghanistan. Now, look at this flag. How much of it is black? उसमें black कितना है? देखिए, आप उसमें observe करोगे, उसमें भी क्या किया उन्होंने? They can divide that flag in 3 equal parts. They can divide the part in that flag in 3 equal parts. First one is black, second one is red, and third one is green. The green part of the flag can be written as, how to write that green part? That is 1 upon 3. Also you can write 1/3. Okay. Is the red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? See, in middle they can draw red color. They can color red. Okay. That is less than 1/3. Yes. Why? Because of that symbol. Okay. In middle they can draw the symbol of Afghanistan. Therefore, that portion, red color portion, is less than 1 upon 3. This is the flag of Myanmar. Our neighbor. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? See that in that flag. Okay, I will show you in this picture. See that blue color, that is less than 1/3 or more than 1/3. That is less than 1/3. How to find that? You can divide that flag in 4 equal parts. Here they can use just less than 1/4 or more than 1/4. 1/4 means there are 4 equal parts in that one. 1/4 means 4 equal parts in that one. So you can divide that flag in 4 equal parts and observe that is 1/4. That is more than 1/4 or less than 1/4. Okay. Definitely you will get less than 1/4. The blue part is less than 1/4. Guess how much the flag is red? It is more than half. It is more than 3/4. 3/4 means there are 4 equal parts. I will show you 3/4. I will show you 2. Consider these two are same rectangles. Consider these two are same rectangles. Okay, these same rectangles. Okay, these two same rectangles I can divide differently. Okay, first rectangle I can divide in 2 parts only. First rectangle I can divide in 2 parts, but second rectangle I can divide in 4 equal parts. Once again I can repeat. These are two same rectangles, but first rectangle I can divide in 2 equal parts, but second rectangle I can divide in 4 equal parts. Okay, so see here I will shade some portion. The shaded portion is called 1 upon 2. The shaded portion is called 1 upon 2, and here I will shade some part. This shaded portion is called 3 upon 4. This shaded portion is called 3 upon 4. Why? See here, there are 2 equal parts. In that we can take 1. That is called 1 upon 2. Here there are 4 equal parts, and in that 4 equal parts we can take only 3 parts. So this is called 3 upon 4. Okay. So see here. Here they can use ask question. Guess how much the flag is red. उसमें रेड कलर कितना है पूछा आपको. It is more than half. हाफ से ज्यादा है. Yes, that is more than half. रेड कलर है ना, वो more than half ही है. Okay. Also, it is more than 3/4. वो 3/4 से भी ज्यादा है. Yes, 3/4 से भी ज्यादा है. Why? Because that blue part is less than 1/4. वो blue part है ना, इस remaining part से भी छोटा है. इसलिए आपका रेड कलर क्या होगा, 3/4 से भी बड़ा होगा. ओके, सो सी ऑन द पेज नंबर 51. हियर दे कैन यूज दिस एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. ओके, हियर दे कैन शो. आई कैन रीड. लिसन, फाइंड आउट. कलेक्ट एज मेनी फ्लैग्स यू कैन. हाउ मेनी फ्लैग्स हैव यू कलर हैव 3 कलर्स. आर ऑल कलर्ड पार्ट इक्वल इन दिस फ्लैग्स. आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट तो आप फ्लैग कलेक्ट कीजिए, फ्लैग्स के पिक्चर्स कलेक्ट कीजिए. उसमें देखिए 3 कलर्स के कितने फ्लैग्स हैं, और उसमें आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है कि वो जो पार्ट है 3 कलर के फ्लैग, उसमें जो पार्ट है वो इक्वली डिवाइड है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा जो इंडिया का फ्लैग है, ओके, उसमें 3 कलर्स इक्वली डिवाइड हुए. ओके, ऑरेंज, व्हाइट एंड ग्रीन. ओके, बाकी इसमें हुए क्या, ऐसे आपको देखना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है. This is the flag of the mass club in the school in Kerala. What part of the flag is colored red? What part is green? Okay, here they can ask the red color part and green color part. Okay, you can observe page number 51. Okay, on the page number 51, that flag is divided in 5 equal parts. That flag is divided in 5 equal parts, and in that 5 equal parts, see this, I will show you. This flag is divided in 5 equal parts, and in that 5 equal parts, 2 parts are red colored. 2 parts are red colored. One is green, one is green, one is yellow, and one is blue. One is blue. Like that they can divide. So what is the part of that red color? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are there. And in that, how many parts are there? 2. So that fraction is 2 upon 5. That fraction is 2 upon 5. Why? Because in that 5 equal parts, the red color is 2 parts. So that is 2 upon 5. Okay. Also green color part, that is only 1. So that is 1 upon 5. 1/5. 1/5 means 1 upon 5. Means 5 equal parts, in that only 1 part. Okay. Here, have you used the red color part? Red color. What part of the flag did you color red? What were the other colors you choose? आपको क्या करना है? उन्होंने जैसे फ्लैग बनाया वैसे आपको यहाँ पे फ्लैग बनाना है. ओके. और वो फ्लैग आपको जैसे उन्होंने इक्वली डिवाइड किया जैसे डिवाइड करके उनको कलर करना है. ओके. सी पेज नंबर 52. Here they can use just one activity. Okay, that is simple and good activity. Okay, by using that activity you can play. So you can do that activity in your home. I can read that activity. That is simple activity. Magic top. Okay. Let us make a magic top. आपको क्या बनाना है? Magic top बनाना है. Take a cardboard piece. आपको cardboard का piece लेना है. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter by using compass. Okay, by using compass, take in your compass 3 centimeter. Take distance 3 centimeter in compass and draw one circle. आपको सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए आता है. वो उस कार्डबोर्ड पर आपको 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. डिवाइड द सर्कल इनटू 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स. आपको वो सर्कल क्या करना है? 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. कैसे करोगे? पहले उसके 2 पार्ट्स करो, उसके बाद 4 पार्ट्स करो, और वही 4 पार्ट्स क्या करो? 2 में डिवाइड करो. मीन्स आपको टोटल 8 पार्ट्स मिलेंगे. ओके. टेक हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. ड्रॉ the circles into 8 equal parts. Now each part is 1 upon 8. Why? Because there are total 8 parts. Okay, so each part is 1 upon 8. Red color 2 upon 8. आपको रेड कलर कितना करना है? 2 upon 8. मतलब 8 में से 2 parts. 8 में से 2 parts आपको रेड कलर करना है. Orange 1 upon 8. मतलब एक ही पार्ट आपको क्या करना है? ऑरेंज कलर करना है. 1 upon 8 येलो, और एक येलो करना है. etc as show here. Push a matchsticks through the center of the circle. आपको क्या करना है? उसके बीच में matchsticks फिट करना है. Your magic top is ready. Spin it fast. What do you see? Can you see all the colors? Write what you see in your notebook. Okay. आपको एक एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. और एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करके वो टॉप पे वो स्पिन करके देखिए उसमें कौन से कलर मिलते हैं. अदरवाइज सभी कलर मिक्स होते क्या, और उनका जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो क्या कीजिए आपके नोटबुक में आप नोट डाउन कीजिए. प्रैक्टिस टाइम. चॉकलेट बार. मंजू हैड अ चॉकलेट. शी गेव 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/3 to Sugatha, and 1/6 of Sheila. 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did she get? Right there. I will draw that on the blackboard. I will draw that chocolate. See, similar chocolate they can show there. Okay. Once again I can read. Manju had chocolate. She gave 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 of it to Raji. Okay. Next, 1/3 to Sugata. 1/3. 1/3 to next one, 1/6 to Sheila. 1/6 to Sheila. Okay, and last they can ask how many pieces of chocolate did each get right here, and what part of the chocolate did Manju eat. मंजू को कितना रहेगा ये भी आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. Okay, how to find this? See, here they can use us all different fractions. So for that fraction we have to find the part. Here there is 1/4. 1/4 means what? 1/4 means what? We can divide these parts in 4 equal parts. First we can divide in 4 equal parts. Okay. See how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 means 12 parts are. Total how many parts are there? 12 parts are there. Okay. These 12 parts we can divide in 4 parts. 4 equal parts. Here there is 1/4. Means first you can divide that 12 parts in 4 equal parts. So how to divide? See, you can say the table of 4 up to 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So in each part, how many chocolate parts are there? 3 parts are there. See, I will show you. This is one part. This is second part. This is third part. And this is fourth part. See, remaining lines you can skip that. Only see these dark lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are there. And 1/4 means what? 1/4 means what? In that 4 equal part, only you can take 1. So how many parts of chocolate? 1, 2, 3. Small parts. Huh? This is 1 part, 2 and 3. How many pieces of chocolate Raji can take? 3 pieces. 3 pieces. Okay. 1/3 means what? 1/3 means what? You can divide these 12 parts. You can divide these 12 parts in 3 equal parts. So you can say the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So in each part, how many pieces are there of chocolate? There are 4 pieces. There are 4 pieces. Okay. And in each part there are 4 pieces, and Subhata can take only one piece, only one part. That is how many pieces? 4 pieces. Okay, 4 pieces of chocolate. Okay, 1/6. 1/6 means what? You can divide these 12 parts in 6 equal parts. In 6 equal parts. So how to do that? So you can say the table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Means in each part, how many pieces are there of chocolate? There are 2. In each part, how many pieces? There are 2 pieces of chocolate in one part. Okay. So Sheila can take only one part. So she can get 2 pieces. Okay. So How many remaining for Manju? How many remaining can Manju? First we can count this. This is 3 plus 4 means 7 and 7 plus 2 means 9 pieces. Okay? These 9 pieces. I will write here pieces, sorry, not parts. She can distribute these 9 pieces. She can distribute these 9 pieces. Total are 12 pieces. In that 9 pieces she can distribute. So how many remaining? 9. 12 minus 9. 10, 11, 12. And 3 pieces are remaining. 3 pieces are remaining and Manju will get 3 pieces. Manju will get 3 pieces. All of you understood? You can write down this in your notebook also. You can solve all the question answers. Okay? See page number 53. Color the hearts. Okay? Color 1/3 of the hearts red. आपको क्या करना है? आपको यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिखा है. देखिए ये पिक्चर से. How many hearts are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 hats are there. Total 15 hats. And in that 15 hats, you can color 1/3. 1/3. उसमें से 1/3 पार्ट आपको क्या करना है? रेड कलर करना है. 1/3 hats रेड कलर करना है. मतलब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उस 15 को 15 का 1/3 मीन्स क्या है? वो आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. कैसे फाइंड करोगे? मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. देखिए there are two methods to find this. Okay, see here. First you can divide also. There are total 15 hats are there. Okay, these 15 hats you can divide in 3 equal parts. आपको 15 hats क्या करने हैं? 3 equal part में divide करना है. Okay, तो कैसे करोगे? 3 का टेबल 15 आने तक बोलिए. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15. So in one part how many hats are there? 5 hats are there. So यहाँ पे देखिए मैं सर्कल ड्रा करता हूँ hats के लिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These are 15 hats. 1/3 means what? 1/3. There are 3 equal parts. कितने parts है? 1 2 3 parts हुए. उसमें से 1 part. उसमें से 1 part means this one. मतलब आपको कितने रेड कलर करने होंगे? 1 2 3 4 5. उसमें से 5 आपको क्या करने पड़ेंगे? रेड कलर करने पड़ेंगे. Like that you can solve for remaining. Color 3/5. 3/5 means क्या करना है आपको? इसके 5 पार्ट करने हैं. 15 hats के 5 पार्ट करने हैं. ओके, और उसमें से 3 पार्ट आपको क्या करना है? ब्लू कलर करने हैं. How many hats did you color red? आपने कितने hats रेड कलर किए? 5 hats. How many hats did you color blue? वो आपको फाइंड करना है. What part of the hats are not colored? उसमें से कितने रिमेनिंग रह गए? वो भी आपको क्या करना है? लिखना है. उसके नीचे क्या दिया है? देखिए equal parts of triangle. The white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. Fill each 1/3 part with different color. Can you show these parts are equal? Think now. Now try to make 3 equal parts of this triangle in the different ways. Color each 1/3 with different colors. आप ये कैसे ट्राई कर सकते हो? आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. जो उन्होंने डिवाइड किए 1 ट्राइंगल 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, तो आप उसको कार्डशीट पे ड्रॉ करके उसको कट करके वो इक्वल है कि नहीं देख सकते हो. और आपको नेक्स्ट जो ट्राइंगल दिया है उसमें आप डिफरेंट वेज उनके लेके क्या कर सकते हो? ट्राई कर सकते हो. ओके, आप इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. ध्यान रखिए वो ट्राइंगल्स 3 पार्ट्स में इक्वली डिवाइड होना चाहिए. ओके, सो सी पेज नंबर 54. ओके, D 6 part of a rectangle. Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts like this. Here on the page number 54, they can show here one rectangle, and that rectangle they can divide in 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 equal parts. Okay. Now you divide each of these rectangles into 6 equal parts. Use the different way for each of these 3 rectangles. आपको क्या करना है? अभी यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर्स दिए 1, 2, 3 रेक्टेंगल्स दिए, उन्होंने जैसे डिवाइड किया है 6 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, वैसे ही आपको ये रेक्टेंगल से ना वो 6 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है। आप वर्टिकली 6 कॉलम भी कर सकते हो, हॉरिजॉन्टली 6 कॉलम कर सकते हो, अदर वेज हो तो भी आप यूज कर सकते हो। और आपको ये क्या करना है? 6 इक्वल पार्ट में क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है। ओके, दैट इज योर होमवर्क। डिस्कस how will you check that each part is really 1/6 of that rectangle? The green rectangle is bigger than the blue one. Can we say that 1/6 of the green rectangle is bigger than 1/6 of the blue rectangle? Yes, because why? Because that green rectangle is bigger as compared to that blue. Also, the 1/6 part is also greater. ओके, मैंने क्या बोला? देखिए यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या दिया है? द ग्रीन रेक्टेंगल इज बिगर देन द ब्लू रेक्टेंगल। ग्रीन रेक्टेंगल ब्लू रेक्टेंगल से बड़ा, इसलिए इसका 1/6 पार्ट और इसका 1/6 पार्ट, ग्रीन का 1/6 पार्ट ब्लू के 1/6 पार्ट से भी बड़ा ही होगा। क्यों? ऑल 6 पार्ट्स आर इक्वल। ओके, ग्रीन के सभी 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स सेम है, ब्लू के सभी 6 पार्ट्स सेम है। ओके, सो 1/6 part of green that is bigger than 1/6 part of the blue one. Okay, so today we have to stop here. Your homework is you can solve all the question answers in that up to page number 54. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you students.